Hi everybody, I wanted to make a quick video and show you how to submit your Google Slides presentation to Schoology when you are finished with your work this weekend. First of all, make sure that you have two windows open. One window has Schoology and the window next door is your Google Slides presentation. From here, go to Share, and down here at Get Link, you should see a message that says Carlos Rosario International Public Charter School. Anyone in this group with this link can view. If you don't see that, click on Change. That should do the trick. It looks like I'm okay here, so all I need to do is copy this link. And I can close the Google Slides. Don't need that window open anymore. What I need to do now is go into Schoology to Module 2. And down to the Friday folder, into the Async folder, and you'll see a discussion board link that says Submit Your Slides here. Click on that link and go down to the comment box, click inside, and look for this image here to insert content and click. Select link and paste the link that you copied from Google Slides, and make sure to give your presentation a title. I am going to call my presentation Laurel Past, Present, and Future. You might use a similar title. You might think of something completely different. Whatever it is, once you're finished, go ahead and insert that link, and you will see down here in the comment box that there is a blue hyperlink that when people click on it, it will take them directly to your Google Slides. When you're ready, click on Post. And that's it. When your post is ready, we can double check, click on the link, and there are my Google Slides. I also want to point out that I have step-by-step instructions for how to do that here, as well as the grading criteria. This assignment is going to be worth a total of 16 points. Hope that helps, and looking forward to seeing your Google Slides presentation here this weekend.